always, I know you're a big perfector lover, and you use all sizes.
The sizes, yep.
For all reasons. So look, now we have a set that has...
So exciting.
So I thought we could help them, show them how to smooth, how you curl, how you wave. Let's do it.
I'd love to.
All right, so you like to start in the back, right?
I do.
Perfect. So I like how you brush through.
Yep. Over and under.
Oh, so you really literally do it in a pass.
One pass.
Okay.
Yep.
So you do the top, you do
Right,
bottom.
do the top, do the bottom, and then just roll it down, spinning it as I go.
So you have very curly hair.
Very.
So you just do rough dry it first? Okay, with the blow dryer. So when it was shampooed.
Yep, I just go through with a brush and just get it dry. I'm not trying to style it, I'm just trying to get it dry.
So I noticed too, you give it really nice tension.
That is the trick with curly hair.
Ooh, yeah. Wave on that one.
Yeah. And then I can just come underneath. There you go. Perfect. On the top. And I like that I can get super close to my edges to get all my curls in there. And then spin it down. Taking my time.
Oh, perfect. All right, so I want you to show them how you get that great bump.
Oh, yeah.
Up the top.
Okay, so again, start it on top, brush through, go through the bottom, brush through, and then over direct towards the front. Get
so
all
you
of it
push
in
it forward.
Yep, pushing it forward, over direct it, roll it down, just like one and a little bit.
Okay.
Let it sit 5, maybe 10 seconds.
Okay.
And then I pull it out. Oh, look at that.
Great lift.
So now I'm just about finished and I'm gonna do my bang. Same exact technique. I go under and then I go over and I over direct and I start to spin as I'm coming down. And I just take it slowly in the direction that I want it to go. And there you have
beautiful.
it. So once I've rough dried it, it takes me literally 10 minutes, start to finish, to achieve this.
I like it. It's got volume, but it's still smooth. It's pretty. Super.
So the 1 inch I love for flipping in and out the ends of my hair. So really easy to flip under.
Yes.
Just that beautiful bevel that only stylists do. Or I can go from that.
So how much do you roll it up?
Maybe
one
one
full
time.
roll?
One full.
And then hold for
For a few seconds.
Okay. It's perfect.
So Maria, you know I love to use my 1.5 barrel for smoothing, but I love the 1 inch for wave.
Okay.
I'll show you how I do it.
So you start the root. Perfect.
Keeping it vertical. Just come down and spin.
Just like a little
ribbon. Okay, Maria, so this is my last piece. I am picking my perfector up off my lap, by the way, because I can't burn myself.
I love that part.
Under, over, and then from the root.
So it's a full spin.
It's a full spin and come down.
Okay.
Full spin and come down. And then I just direct it where I want it to go.
Okay. So nice and soft at the bang.
Nice and soft at the bang.
But I notice I'm just going to show all these, you know, curls that you put in, right?
Right. So that's step 1 to the wave.
Yes.
Here's the final step. I just brush through it.
Nice. That perfector really keeps it, right?
Yep.
So you can
I cannot brush out my curl or my wave. And then look at that.
I see.
So you can see I just brush through it. And then look at the wave.
Yeah, that's great.
All of those curls just come together to give me this amazing
I
wave.
love it. It's literally just a soft Hollywood. Gorgeous wave.
And you know, I love the 1 inch for wave, but I love the 3/4 inch if I want really spirally curls. And for our advanced ladies out there who've had this for a while,
if you've never done this before.
it's the exact same motion, but instead of pulling down, I pull up.
But you're still keeping it
but I'm
straight.
still keeping it straight. I'm not going. I'm not
you're
looping
going
it around.
against the hair, right?
Right, because what it does is it allows it to dry
yeah.
up and give me that nice bump there.
Yeah, I like that.
So I get
a
more
lot.
fullness from my curls. And then all I do
So this is different,
with the 1 inch, I want waves, so I use a brush.
right?
With the 3/4, I want curls, so I use my fingers. Look at those tousled
great.
curls. I love it.
Oh, great job. I love it.